Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about the Marc Jacobs Nano Leather Bag Charm. It is truly a charming bag. It is so cute. I'm going to give you a review as well as what fits and some bag comparisons so you can see just how big this Nano Leather Bag Charm really is. So if that sounds interesting, then just keep watching. So this bag is so adorable. So it is absolutely identical to the tote bag. It is in the full grained leather. It is so pretty and cute. I saw this and was just like, which color do I want? It's not even an option as to do I want one. It is so adorable. So it really is a bag charm. And I feel like since it is a bag charm, it is priced pretty well considering it's made out of real full grain leather. So this retails for $125. It does seem a little steep for a bag this size. However, most bag charms are pretty expensive, but I feel like this is not just a bag charm. You can also use it as a little pouch that can either go inside your bag or also can decorate your bag. So it's kind of got a little bit more than just one purpose. It is definitely functional as well as an adorable bag charm. So for that reason, I feel like it's probably pretty well priced. I compare it to my Longchamp coin pouch. I use this for many things and they're about the same size. I paid, I want to say $65 for the Longchamp coin pouch. And I would probably use this very similar to this pouch. I always put my keys or a lipstick or a few little perfumes in here. And I would probably do the same for this. Now this is a little bit cheaper at $65. However, it is not a bag charm. And it is also made out of nylon, not full grain leather. So just a little comparison there I wanted to share with you. So I did want to show you just how small this bag is. So I do have the most beautiful mini tote bag. This is in the color lipstick pink. And I do have an unboxing video of this bag if you want to check that out after this video. But just for a little size comparison, so the mini size is quite small. And then here you have the nano, which is so adorable. Now I'm going to show you the size large tote bag. And to tell you the truth, this is the bag that I ended up purchasing this cute little bag charm for. I thought this green on this bag is just the most beautiful pop of color. And I just thought it would be so, so cute. So that was the point of purchasing this little nano to go on my black large canvas tote bag. I just think that is so adorable. Now, of course, you could put it on your leather bags as well. I feel like because this is so small, it would kind of swallow it. But I would absolutely use it as a little interior bag, just like I do my coin purse, where I would just, put it inside the bag. It has other stuff in here. Let me move it so you can see it does actually fit inside the bag, along with some of my other items. So you could easily put it inside your mini, no problem. That would be great. But I did purchase it for the size large bag, and I'm going to show you how I plan to attach it as well as what fits in here. So let me show you. It comes with this really great silver clasp, which I think is so pretty. I'm a huge silver fan. So inside the bag, it has the same exact zipper as any of the leather tote bags. It also has the little band where you can tuck your zipper end in to just make it look nice and hold it there. And then the interior is surprisingly spacious, just like all tote bags. It's always just so amazing to me just how much you can fit inside one of these little bags. The nano is clearly no different. Now it is smaller, so let's be realistic. It's not going to fit all that much. But I will show you the things that it will fit. And again, I compare it to my Longchamp coin pouch. I pretty much would put the same thing in either one of these bags. So first I would put my key as my house key and my car key. and that fits in there seamlessly. No problems there. So that is a lot of times what I will put in my Longchamp coin pouch, and that would fit just perfectly in there. Easy to find in your purse. Look for the cute little green tote bag, and there's your key. So that's one of the things I plan to use this bag for. Another one is I love different perfumes, and I always carry minis because I like the option of different. And all three of these do actually fit in here, which I find absolutely wonderful. So I'm just going to put these in here, and then I'll show you what it looks like with all three of these little perfume minis in here. It's so great. So they're all three in there. And I just think that is such a cute thing to put in there. Then you have your little perfumes. So another thing you could put in here, other than perfumes and keys, would be obviously money. You could put your coins in here and your cash. I would not recommend using it as a bag charm if you're going to do that, in case it, the chain got broken or, you got hooked on something. But easily could put it in your bag if you want to do that. Now, another thing I put in here are my earbuds. They actually fit perfectly inside this bag. And then on top of that, I usually will put a lipstick. So I can easily fit my earbuds, earpods, and a lipstick right on top. And it does zip up, no problem. And then another thing you could easily fit in here is a hand sanitizer that's right in there, as well as a Neutrogena face wipe. And you could also put a MAC lipstick. Actually will fit because it's not very long. And let me just show you. So just like that, those three items fit in there, and it zips up, no problem. So those are some options that will fit in here. So it's not just a bag charm. You could put your keys or your little mini perfumes or your earbuds and a lipstick, or your hand sanitizer, a lipstick, and a face wipe. So just some options and ideas for you. There are things that fit in here. Again, if there's anything you're worried about losing, I would not put it as a bag charm. But if you're going to just put it inside your bag, it has a lot of different uses, which I love. So next, I just wanted to show you how you can wear it as a bag charm. Now, I love the look of that. I doubled the chain around it twice to shorten it a little bit because I didn't want to hide the beautiful white font of the large bag. But you absolutely can, let me move this out of your way. You absolutely can just do it around one time. It is so cute. Okay, so let me show you what it looks like with just one time around instead of two. So it will just drop lower. So if you're fine with that, that's fine. So there's an option as well. Like I said, I doubled it up just because I like it higher so it doesn't cover up the tote bag. Another thing you could do to shorten it is go around both of them. That may be a little bit more of a process when getting into your things, because you're going to have to either just use this one side zip and get through to your stuff, or you're going to have to undo it when you need it in your bag. So that may be more of a hassle than it's worth. So like I said, I just do it twice around the strap, the one strap, and it shortens it enough to make it so cute, but not to cover up the tote bag. Another option is to put it on the side. And I don't know, I just think it is such a cute little bag charm. Again, I double it just because I feel like it's too long otherwise, but you do you. So this is how I do it on the side as well. If I want to just do something a little different, then you can just hang it on the side of your bag. It is so cute. Now, if you made it longer, it would just hang pretty low. Again, I'll show you what that looks like, and you can make your own decision if you think that's something you would prefer or not. And of course, this cute Nano bag charm, it comes in so many colors now. So see, it just kind of drags on the ground when you set your bag down if you don't double it up. So, and that's really just the reason I double it up, just so it's not quite as far down on the bag. I just think it is so cute. But this comes in so many different colors. I love this pop of green. They had so many. It was so hard to decide which one I wanted, but so, so cute. So the dimensions of this little tiny bag are 4 inches in length, 3 inches in height, and 2 inches deep. And then the handle drop is also 2 inches. So, so cute. Again, $125. I feel like that's pretty reasonable for a bag charm. Most bag charms don't have the added functionality of having a little zipper and have the option of putting, you know, your keys or your lipstick or some perfumes or hand sanitizer in your little bag charm as like a little extra something, a little extra pouch. So very similar to like another little pouch or bag you would normally put inside a larger bag. So I think it's a really great idea. I love it so much. It's so pretty. I may have to get another one in a different color at some point just to vary it up, but it is such a cute bag. It has so many uses. Of course, I absolutely love it on my tote bag, and hopefully this video was helpful if you were curious if this was something you might want to pick up in the future. And if it was helpful, please go ahead and like this video, and it would help me so much if you'd go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you in my next video. Until next time, bye guys.